Hello family, this is the Oyster Point, the Baytrail where are the geese, and that is what is called the Haber, Oyster Point Haber, the ferry.
Yes, a ferry to the Oyster Point. Yeah.
Hey, these are baby duck, these are geese. I want to come close.
Don't come too close to the geese because they have youngs, see?
Oh, they stand up. It's just tired. I'm sorry to disturb. There is something wrong with that feather.
Well, they lose their feathers over time too. So they have young, so they may be protective. I don't know whether you can see the youngs. There are two little ones over there. Don't come too close. Don't come too close.
I just want to go. It's like, oh, this is a South San Francisco fire department.
Two little ones over there. Can I get you? The parents are looking at me. Like, what am I doing? Well, and the other one on the other side, so I want to be attacked from two sides. I don't know whether you see them. Okay. I'll let them be. Ooh, the guy is looking at me. Okay. Let's.
Close another small one here. It's rarely see. I only see the fire truck in San Francisco, but not San Francisco. South San Francisco, California, 1908. Come close. Hello family, this is South San Francisco Fire Department, fire truck. Oh, what is going on? They firing? And I'm near at the international airport. Alright, keep going.